All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Avalanche. That's right. Today, it's getting listed on Binance. This is going to be big. Also, the coin is up 25% in the last 7 days. It's already going up to the moon. All kinds of good stuff. Two other things. The Staples Center in Los Angeles is doing a deal. They're going to be called crypto.com, a $700 million deal for the next 20 years. I'm going to talk about that. And our friend from Shark Tank, Mr. Wonderful, also known as Kevin, he actually states about how much of his percentage of his holdings is now cryptocurrency. So we have three things. This is a bonus video. We're bringing it to you tonight at 7 o'clock. We wanted to let you know that literally Avalanche is being listed on Binance today. So for all my Binance friends that are buying all their coins on Binance, you can buy your Avalanche today. With that, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, know how to read the charts, one day own some cryptocurrency. Because literally with stadiums being called crypto.com and Tom Brady talking about he's getting into something, obviously this world is not going to ever be a time that cryptocurrency is not here ever again. And with that, let's head over to Avalanche. All right, over here at Coin Market. All right, over here at Coin Market. Can you believe it? Avalanche is the 12th cryptocurrency on the planet. I mean, this coin has snuck up on everybody. And look who it's by. It's by Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Actually, Dogecoin is number 10 and Shiba is actually number 11 right now. But take a look at this. Number 12, Avalanche. Well, it's trading at $108. Take a look at this right now. As everything else is red, red, red. Notice how everything is red. Red, 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 red. But Avalanche is up 25% in the last 7 days. That's right. If a week ago, if you were thinking about a little Avalanche, you're liking it today. In the last 24 hours, this coin is up over 12%. What's going on with Avalanche? Well, we know it's getting listed on Binance. Let's take a look at what this says. Binance will list Avalanche. Binance.us will list Avalanche and open trade on Avalanche on November 18th at 8 a.m., which is today. You can start depositing Avalanche in preparation for trading. Withdrawals will be enabled once trading is live. What is Avalanche? This is what Binance is saying. Avalanche is a smart contract platform designed by AVAX used to create custom blockchain networks and decentralized applications, DApps. The native AVAX token, Avalanche unit, is a fixed supply utility token used for paying transaction fees and staking an Avalanche process. So look at that. Download the Binance app today and go trade. But this is going to be big. Literally, Avalanche is listed on Binance today. That's why we're bringing you the bonus video. Over here again at Coin Market, this coin is up 14% now in the last 24 hours. It's trading at $108. The circulation supply is only 31% over to the right. So there's a lot of room, over about almost 70%, 68, 69% of circulation still available. So that's pretty good. As you can see here, this has been a total up, up, up. I mean, Avalanche is going up to the moon, maybe to follow the Dogecoin and go to Mars. I don't know. But take a look at the Avalanche going up. Again, Avalanche is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform to decentralize applications and custom blockchain networks. Now, here's the interesting thing. It's one of the Ethereum's rivals. So it's actually up against Ethereum. I mean, you know how there's always those Ethereum killers? Well, Avalanche is one of the rivals. It's aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. So take a look at that. If you want to get into something, it's aiming to unseat Ethereum, and Ethereum's always number 2 right now, as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having higher transaction outputs and up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. This is made possible. They got some unique stuff here, guys. This is made possible by Avalanche unique architects. The Avalanche network consists of 3 individual blockchains. So dig this. There's 3 individual blockchains. There's X chain, there's C chain, and there's P as in Paul chain, which is different from the other approach from Bitcoin and Ethereum use, namely having nodes validate all the transactions. Avalanche blockchains even use different censorship mechanisms based on its own cases. After the mainnet launch in 2020, so this coin is relatively new, Avalanche has worked on developing its own ecosystem, dApps, and DeFi. Different Ethereum-based projects such as SushiSwap, TrueUSD. Furthermore, the platform is consistently working on improving between the ecosystem and Ethereum, like the development of bridges. Let's head over to the website. So over here at Avalanche's website, the blazing fast, low cost of the eco-friendly, what is possible with Avalanche? Avalanche opens a programmable smart contract platform for decentralizing applications. You can build it fast and with low cost. You can scale to millions and validators with minimum hardware. Build for decentralized apps. Avalanche in the news. Also on the other website, avalabs.org. Digitalize all the world's asset. Avalanche is a smart contract platform in the blockchain industry as measured by time and infinity and the most validator securing activities of the proof of stake protocol. Lots of stuff going on with Avalanche. Getting listed on Binance. We'll do our price prediction a little bit later. I want to talk about the two things, the Staples Center, and I want to talk about Kevin O'Leary here. But Avalanche is number 12. And it's right there by Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. It's deep into almost the top 10. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to the Staples Center. It says right here, the Staples Center in Los Angeles. It says the LA Staples Center is changing its name, to what? Not to real estate, not to loans and mortgages, but to crypto.com. That's right. It's changing its name to crypto.com arena in a reported $700 million deal. Holy cow, everybody. It says the Los Angeles Staples Center sports venue, the home of the Lakers, the Clippers, the Kings, and the Sparks, will rename the crypto arena. Will be renamed to crypto.com arena. The crypto exchange paid more than $700 million for a 20-year naming rights to the LA Times reported. The renaming, which kicks in December 25th, the Los Angeles Story Staples Center sports venue is getting a new name, and the name is crypto.com. Yep, it doesn't appear that crypto's going away anytime soon, because anytime you sit in the Staples Center to see the Lakers play or anybody that's in the stadium, you're going to go to the app and you're going to go to crypto.com. With that, let's go ahead and head over to Kevin O'Leary. And it says Kevin O'Leary says his crypto holdings today are almost at 10%. Here's how he decided which to invest into. So we all saw Kevin on the Shark Tank right there. It says during a recent talk on Thursday, the Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary said that his cryptocurrency exposure is near 10%. At the beginning, he was at about 3%. Then he got to 7% by the end of last year. However, because of the appreciation of so many assets, I have now almost 10% today. His holdings include many digital coins, but listen to this. But he didn't want to kind of go into which coins he had, but he did say that he did have, O'Leary declined to disclose all of his holdings, but he noted he owns Bitcoin as his largest cryptocurrency, and he also has Ethereum as his second largest. So even Kevin O'Leary has Bitcoin and Ethereum, but he doesn't want to name the other coins because he has other coins and stuff like that. But isn't that interesting? The Staples Center is going to be called crypto.com. Yep, crypto's here to stay. Tom Brady's making a trade, FTX, crypto.com, ANC is accepting cryptocurrency. Burger King right now is doing a crypto giveaway with Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. I mean, everywhere you turn, there's all kinds of stuff going on about cryptocurrency. Hey, let's go ahead and head back to Avalanche, and we'll talk about that prediction. So over here on the site, it's doing a comparison of comparing to other blockchains. It's got Avalanche over here all the way to the right. It's got Polkadot, it's got Ethereum, and it's got Bitcoin. So it talks about the different transaction speeds. Obviously, Avalanche in every category right here has got a better score. There's a better score here. Energy efficiency, yes. There's a no and a yes, but we're a yes over here. Number of validators, 3 pools, 2 pools, 200, thousands of nodes. I mean, so if you just take a look here, there's all kinds of good things going on in Avalanche comparing to the blockchains. You know, another solution powered by Avalanche. Learn what use cases benefit by leveraging the high performance capacity of Avalanche, a decentralized finance, a DeFi. DeFi is a rapidly growing beyond the limits of one chain. Avalanche is fully compatible with Ethereum assets, apps, tools, and faster speeds, higher throughout the lower fees. It says right here, digital collectibles. Mint your own digital collectibles in seconds for fees less than a cent. Digitally prove ownership, a streamlined value flow, create and share art, collectibles, and more with all the benefits and none of the downside. You know, arts, collectibles, you know, all kinds of things you can do over here on Avalanche. Create a wallet, open the Explorer, our path forward, token information, join the Avalanche community. You can obviously join Avalanche but through the Twitter account, Telegram, Discord, or all kinds of other ways. So last thing right here, Avalanche right now is at number 12 and it's at $107. It's up 24%. You know, so I actually think this coin can get to $150 with all the things that are going on right now. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. There's all kinds of things up 25% in the last 7 days, up 12% in the last 24 hours. They want to basically be a little bit different than Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is totally fine. Avalanche is in the top 20. It's literally number 12, which is fantastic. We also have the Staples Center getting renamed to crypto.com, all kinds of good stuff. Kevin O'Leary had a 3% of his holdings were cryptocurrency, then 7%, and now he's almost at 10%. I mean, all kinds of crazy stuff going on right now with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Share this with your friends. We bring you the bonus video every once in a while around 7 o'clock at night, Monday through Fridays. Today is the bonus video. Being Thursday, hey everybody, Avalanche is listed on Binance as of today. Fantastic news. Have a great day, everybody.